welcome to HITLAB's 2023 Summit. Would you mind please introducing yourself, your name, your title, and the organization that you represent?
Sure. My name is Chrysanthi Dori. I lead technical services at Medidata, which is a Dassault company. I have a large engineering team that creates market differentiated scalable solutions. It's a large team of software engineers, and we do a lot of custom solutions around all the Medidata products for our customers.
That's great, Chrysanthi. Thank you so much for joining me today. Is this your first HITLAB Summit, or have you attended one in the past?
Oh, I attended many in the past.
Many in the past.
And in the past, I used to work for a sponsor. Afterwards, I worked for Medidata for the last 3 years, and I was here last year presenting it. So every year I do it, and it's very exciting for me.
That's wonderful. So I must ask, what keeps you coming back? What do you get out of the HITLAB Summits time and time again, and what are you able to provide?
So look, it's the passion of the people. I'm really passionate about digital health. If you know, at Medidata, we always say we try to solve the impossible. And what we mean is we collect the data from all these clinical trials. And the question is how we can be able to predict diseases and patient outcomes. So around this, we see a lot of innovation going around from people from all the different courses of life. So you see, today we saw a lot of innovations, around image recognition, behavioral and psychometric evaluation, telehealth. People talk a lot about investment in the space, collaborations in the ecosystem. So I learned a lot about different solutions and different ideas that is happening in the ecosystem and how the microeconomics are working now, where is the investment going. And generally, I get fueled by the passion of the innovators because I'm one myself. Wow. And my team.
That's perfectly said. I have a follow-up question about what sort of healthcare companies have you been able to talk to in your time here? What sort of people have you been able to meet?
Yeah, I was able to talk to, I actually intend to speak to the Soho MD. They asked to speak to them. I spoke with a lady who works for, I can't recall the name, but she had a software company in Mexico, and now she's working from Miami with her sister, who is a doctor there, for innovative solutions, putting together solutions for women who are giving birth. They're at gestation with different hospitals, and she's trying to utilize tools and artificial intelligence. She talked to me about her international trips and the different healthcare applications that she sees and she evaluates. So very exciting.
Yeah, absolutely. And one last question for you. What do you think, what kind of collaborations do you see getting involved with in the future with Medidata? What do you think Medidata will bring to your partnerships, and what can Medidata get out of them?
Yeah, so actually, it is true that I collaborate with Health Innovation Lab a lot. What I do is I'm a board member as well. So what I do is they bring a lot of innovators in the space, and we were able to collaborate with a medication adherence solution and bring the data in and start experimenting. So I see a lot of collaboration in the ecosystem. We deal with a lot of new technologies. We have a lot of business problems to solve. We cannot do it ourselves. We need a lot of niche solutions, collaboration with other vendors in all the different areas, and at the same time, collaborations with life sciences and CLOs. Because as technology partners in the ecosystem, we need really to understand our customers and the business problems that we try to solve. As I mentioned today in the discussion, technology is just an enabler of solving business problems. So unless we understand the workflows, the processes, the legacy systems that exist in our customers' organizations, and we try to create interoperable solutions, I don't think we will succeed. So the collaboration within the ecosystem with innovators, life sciences and CROs, it's at utmost importance for us.
Yeah, of course. That's so inspiring. So Chrysanthi, thank you so much for your time and for answering for all my questions. Good luck to you in Medidata and the rest of your endeavors.
Thank you for having me.